Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? Good morning, good morning. What up, what up? Good morning, good morning. Yo, what up, what up, what up? Sorry, the chat ain't working over here. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I gotta reconnect it. This little multi-chat's been working. I don't know what the problem with it is. But let's see if we can get this thing fixed, man. We gotta get the chats coming in here. Good morning, good morning. Maybe if I close it and open it back up. What up? What's up, everybody? I don't know, the chat's not working over here. So, I guess we'll just have to roll with it. See what's going on. So, this is what I'm looking and seeing on the NASDAQ here. We had this big 1 hour gap. I don't know if you remember yesterday, but I wanted us to kind of come back and tap to this gap and then look for some longs kind of out of there. And it played out perfect yesterday. You see it came back, tapped into the gap, and then boom, got some longs out of there. But here it looks like boom, re-tapping it, and we're just kind of floating around here. So we'll see what's going to happen. Dude, this thing is making me mad over here. It's not working. I don't know. Thing's usually working. Somebody type something. Let me see if the dang multi-chat's working. Thing usually works. Oh, there we go. There we go. Tick. Appreciate the follow. Appreciate the follow. It's working now. Let's go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about now. Now we're working. How's everything sound, dude? The music sound good? I kind of turned it up a hair today. See if we sound a little bit better. But let's see, man. What are you guys thinking here? We got the Asian lows down there. Let's use a little Fibonacci here. Let's get a little crazy this morning. Let's go. It's working. Nice. Let's get a little crazy, dude. I think it's going down. Warming up here. That NWOG still not balanced, but seems that it doesn't want to go down. Let's see, dude. Little inversion set up here. Let's see how the inversions are playing out. See if it's going to work out here. Little inversion play to the downside. See if this inversion is going to play out here. Let's get it, dude. Let's get it. How's everybody doing, dude? Everybody make a little bit of money? Everybody make a little bit of money yesterday or what? Made some money yesterday. Yeah, this is just a paper trade. I trade live in the Discord for New York session. This on here is just for fun. Pre-market streams just for fun. Just to hang out with everybody. Short for $80, then got hit break even. Dang, bro. I mean, it does look good to go down here. We got this 3-minute inversion to the downside. It looks pretty textbook here to drop it lower, in my opinion. But we'll see. Never hit this gap up here, though, so it may come back up and tap this gap. Never hit it up there. But we will see if it wants to drop or not. Let's go, Devin. Yeah, this is NASDAQ. NASDAQ. It's dropping, boys. It's dropping. Dude, I've already been to the gym this morning and all, buddy. Hit a back day today. Already been up getting work in, brother. Already been up getting that work in. Dude, Hypertick sent out an email about me, dude. Did anybody see the email Hypertick sent out about me? Let's pull it up here. Let's what's the word? Let's gloat a little bit here on the stream. Let's gloat a little bit. Let's gloat. Look at this, man. Look at this. Hypertick sent out this email. Congratulations. This month's biggest win. Withdrawal 8,400. Slade Gorman. That's me, dude. Slade didn't get lucky. He traded his own strategy. Let's go. We getting called out by prop firms now. March 2026 top reward. Let's go, dude. Dude, this pollen is getting to me. What up, VG board? This pollen's really getting to me, dude. It's got my throat all hurt and got me sneezing. Yo, appreciate the sub. We're almost at 10,000 subs, dude. We're almost at 10,000 subs. Let's get it. See, the only problem now is we're approaching this kind of BPR, this 30-second BPR down here. So, could kind of reverse it here back to the upside. Tapping that BPR. It's going to go down through it or what? It's going to drop it. See, like usually I would kind of go to break even right here. Let the thing run down now. See if we can run it down. Just feeling out the waters here. Feeling out the waters. Can it drop? Let's go off the ground. Bro, how long you been trading? Since 2018, dude. 2018. I'm almost at an Alpha Futures payout also, dude. Alpha Futures. Almost at a payout with him. I think I need one more day of $200 or more. I can get an Alpha Futures payout. But, dude, I've really just been killing it with hyperticks. Been crushing it. Milking them. Yeah, I've been trading since 2018. Yeah, this is NQ. Yeah. And I mean, the first few years, like, it wasn't like I was trading every day. Like, when I started in 2018, right, my first day trading, I made a lot of money. For me, at least. I made $800 my first day. And to me, that was a lot of money at the time. And, dude, I like fell in love with trading. And then, you know, like everybody, I started losing. And then, you know, just taking breaks here and there and just kept on going at it. And then around, you know, 2023, kind of started doing it every single day. Kind of been doing it every single day since 2023. Unless maybe I'm on like some vacation where I can't look at the markets or something. But pretty much every day since 2023, I've been day trading. Yeah. So kind of would have been break even right there. And the reason why, so you got this inversion to the downside, but you got to look like, I can tell this is probably another inversion back to the upside. So if you look here on the 30-second, came down, it tapped into that 30-second inversion to the upside, and that's where you got that bounce back up. So, I mean, just kind of showing you all a little bit of tips and tricks here with the inversions. Anytime you bounce back into another inversion, that's a good spot for it to, you know, bounce back up. So that's why I always try to enter like higher. See, if I would have entered up here, then that would have been a better move, and I probably could have, you know, made some money. Yeah, VG board. It's always gonna be paper trading here in 8 a.m. I only trade my fundeds with the Discord group at New York Open. That's where my strategy. That's where I got my strategy. New York Open. I got a New York Open strategy. It's got like an 80% win rate that I trade my funded accounts on. what platform to use in alpha. Tradeify. Tradeify. What's your view on a live account? I mean, if you're good enough, you can trade a live, but you can make, arguably more money trading prop firms and with way less risk. Yo, what up, Kissed? This is NQ NASDAQ. You can see it right down here. Dude, I am sick, dude. Yeah, but I kind of took this inversion trade right here. Got in a little late. And then when it hit this 30-second inversion down here, I went to break even on this one and got stopped at break even. Just seeing if we could run and kind of take out these lows right here. But I think it's going to go take out those lows, especially if we get this inversion right here. Then it can just probably just run down, take out these lows, boom. We'll see though. I mean, it's coming down. Looks pretty good. Drop it. But you see, this here did already take out these lows over here. Took out those lows. So we'll see if it wants to, kind of re-break the lows one more time. Why don't you trade OB? Because I don't need to. I don't need to. Nice. Switch to ES and feels more readable. Nice, bro. Whatever works. Dude, we're almost at 10,000 subscribers, dude. Hang on, let me readjust something here, dude. I'm gonna try something that. There we go. There we go. Yo. Let's go, dude. Kissed is a subscriber. Let's go, man. Appreciate it. Became a member. Kiss became a member. Let's go. Does anyone know when Hypertix has Rhythmic? It's going to be the next update whenever it's coming out. The next update. Let's go. Hypertix coming out with Rhythmic and Tradesy. Rhythmic and Tradesy. All right, dude. What do you guys think? Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, Breezy. Yep, see you in New York session. What do you guys think the market's going to do today? You think it's going to drop or pop? You think it's going to drop or pop? Appreciate that, Kiss. Became a loyal member. That badge looks good next to your name, dude. That's what I'm talking about. That badge looks real good next to your name. Let's see, dude. Is it going to drop here? Is it going to drop back down to these lows? Blue Collar says pop. Buyers trying to protect. We'll see, dude. Is it going to pop it up? What's it going to happen in New York session? In New York session, are we going to drop it down here? Look, man. This is what I'm seeing here on the 4 hour, dude. So look at this on the 4 hour. We got an inversion here to the upside. But, dude, I think it's fake, dude. I think we're going to come down, honestly. And this just comes with, like, you know, kind of, you know, from years of trading these things, right? So, look, I think a lot of people are going to get faked out on this inversion right here. We inverse to the upside, but, dude, we already took out these highs here. So this really isn't a valid inversion setup back to the upside. Just because we've already taken out these highs right here. So, like, I mean, we'll see, dude. But I kind of honestly think it's going to drop. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We will see. It's getting that pop, dude. It's getting that pop back to the upside. All right, let me see here, dude. What's gonna happen? Oh, it's popping. It's popping, dude. All right, man. Yeah, it's getting that pop up, dude. No, I'm not full porting, dude. No way. Dude, I'm getting ready for this New York Open strategy, man. We have been absolutely killing it on the Open. New York Open daily. Yesterday we killed it. Today we gonna kill it. We just always gonna kill it. We caught some longs yesterday. Let me see where we caught the longs at. We caught some longs somewhere in here. I don't know. We caught the longs up to these highs over here. I just get on here, you know, kind of like pro athletes. They don't just go straight into the game and start playing, right? So I kind of do the same thing here in trading. I get on in the pre-market, see how the market's moving, look at the levels, get it marked out, see what's going on, and then I trade my funded accounts at the New York Open with the Discord group. If you want to trade, you can trade with me for free for 7 days. But we just get on here, man. We have a good time. We give away some funded accounts. We just have a good time, dude. Yes, sir, Devin. We have a good time. We're checking it out, seeing what's going on with the markets. But dude, let's take a look. Let's see what could happen in the Open. All right, let's go over it real fast, okay? Let's take a look here and let's see. So if you look on this 1 hour right now, we got this 1 hour bullish gap here, okay? It's holding it, right? These fair value gaps, they act as support and resistance. This is a bullish fair value gap. Right now it's acting as a support. So each time it comes down and taps into this fair value gap, it's bouncing back up, acting as a support. If we get a closure below this fair value gap, boom, we're going to drop it down. All right. If we get a closure below, we're going to drop it down. But until we get that closure below, you got to kind of be looking for longs because we're inside of this bullish fair value gap. So just keep that in mind. Still holding, still respecting this gap. And then maybe we'll just, you know, kind of roll it over and pop to the upside. That's on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour here, for now at least, we've got a inversion to the upside. So everything's kind of pointing to the upside. You see we inverse this bearish gap here, closed above it, and we'll see here. I'm kind of honestly leaning to the downside, but this 4 hour inversion right here, you know, I honestly think that it is kind of invalid because, yeah, we did inverse it, but look, on this big news candle yesterday, we broke these highs up here. So we already swept out this liquidity to the upside. So, you know, I honestly think we can kind of just roll it back over and kind of work back down some of this news candle. But we'll see here. We'll see. Kind of a little bit trickier today. I know everything's looking bullish right now, but for some reason I feel like I've seen something like this before. I could be wrong, but I've seen something like this before. But technically speaking, everything's looking bullish right now. Technically speaking, but you know, it just kind of feels to me like we might The bears might try to roll it back over here and drop it down. But technically speaking, everything is bullish for now. See the 15-minute chart. I mean, the 15-minute, we do have this inversion to the downside. We swept the Asian high. So the 15-minute, looking a little bearish here. 15 minutes looking kind of bearish. So we'll see here. I'm really just going to react to the open. Kind of look for a manipulation and an inversion, pretty much. I would like it to the downside. Look at here on this 5-minute, dude. We got this 5-minute bearish gap up here, right? 5-minute bearish gap. And boom. If we could pop it up there at the open and then drop it off, that'd be something nice. That would be something nice, dude. Good morning, good morning. Dude, is anybody checking out Hypertix, man? I've been crushing it with Hypertix lately. And they got some really good accounts right now. Good accounts, good prices. Coming out with Rhythmic and Tradeify soon. I know a lot of you have heard about Tradeify. It's the new platform that everybody's using, Tradeify. So check it out. Check out Hypertix. And look, starting to drop it down here. Starting to drop it down, just like we said. Boom. So you can see how these inversions play out, right? I took this inversion to the downside. Man, took this inversion to the downside and was targeting, you know, these lows down here, but kind of got stopped at break even on this little trade here. I was trying to play it, but you can see it's dropping it back down here. Here's a little re-entry short. It tapped back into the inversion and dropping it down. Yo, appreciate the sub, man. Appreciate all the subs. We're getting there. We're getting close to 10,000 subs. Steve, it's 50% off with code Slade. There it is, popping those lows right there. You can see we were in this trade too. I was in this short right here. I got in a little late, but I had it like this right here, and it just got stopped at break even. But it would have been a win there. Would have been a win. Jans, I like the instant funded accounts. It's 20% consistency, and I do leave a buffer in there. But I'm not sure. You can check out the rules. But yeah, you can see I got in right there on this little paper trade, and then it got stopped at break even. We were hitting this 30-second inversion down here. It's kind of why I went to break even. I was expecting we could get a little pop up from this inversion, and that's what happened. Came down, tapped into this 30-second inversion, got this pop up to retap into the 1-minute inversion, and then it dropped it off finally to go break those lows down there. But that's kind of how you do it right there. The inversion's playing out. Yo, what up? What up? How's everybody doing, man? Everybody excited for the market today? Hopefully we get something good here. I just like the Instant Pro account. It's just like it's just like all the other instant funded accounts. So that's why I like the Instant Pro. It's 20% consistency, and then that's it. I just trade that Instant Pro one, not the Instant Pro Plus. But that's the one I've been crushing it on, dude. I got 3 Instant Pro accounts and been killing it with them. Yo, what up, Keith Rouse? What's up? What up, Keith Rouse? Does everybody want to do a giveaway today? If you want a giveaway, make sure you hit that like button, dude. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Do you trade for a living? No. I don't. I could, but I don't. I run a jewelry business. I run a jewelry business during the day, and then I trade here for a little bit of extra money, you know. Ain't nothing wrong with making a little bit of extra money. But yeah, I run a jewelry business. I know you guys have seen my jewelry and stuff. I show it off all the time. Look at it dropping now, dude. I told you, dude. I don't trust the longs, man. I don't trust them. I think we dropping. Has everybody in here seen my jewelry that I make? Yeah, if you want a giveaway, smash the like button. Make sure you're subscribed, dude, and join the Discord. Smash the like button. Make sure you're subscribed. Join the Discord. And that's how you do it. You want to see some jewelry? Let me show it, man. Let me show you the jewelry I've been cooking up, dude. I mean, I showed off a lot of it, dude. Pretty much. Let me see. Well, here it is if you ain't seen it. Here it is. So here's a 4-carat diamond in the middle. 4-carat in the middle. Boom. I custom made that. It's got a 2.8 millimeter diamonds on the sides. Really, really big, nice, heavy ring right there. That's one I kind of just finished up here recently. This video will load. Video ain't loading, but that's one of them. Here's one. Just used their diamonds, made a princess cut, past, present, future ring. It's got 3 diamonds. Just nice and simple there. And then, dude, just making them up every day. Every day. Here's a platinum one. This one's really heavy. Platinum's really heavy. So there's a nice heavy ring right there. Super heavy. Let's see, dude. Oh, this one's cool. I already showed this one off, though. This is a 4-carat diamond here in the middle. But it's got a split shank on the sides. And it's got those claws, dude. Look at those. You see the claws here? It's got the claw prongs. So, really cool. That's sick. How'd you get into it? My dad, he got into jewelry when he was younger and, you know, kind of family business. I made this one, dude. This guy loved this ring. Custom made it. It's got marquee diamonds on the sides, and then I custom made this band to go with it, the marquee band. So, you know, just always making some cool stuff, dude. And those are diamonds. I also make, here's a nice emerald, dude. Look at this emerald. Look at that green, bro. That's a really high quality emerald set in there. It's hard to find that color in an emerald, but that was a sick one. This one is a fantasy cut mint amethyst is the stone here. Another cool one I custom made here. Custom made this, but really cool cut on that stone. Nice color green, but yeah, man, that's kind of what I do for a living. And then trade here with you guys for fun. How long does it take to make them? It just depends. I mean, about a week or so. See, dude, are we going to keep dropping it here? Like I said, dude, everybody's thinking bullish here today, but I'm kind of leaning toward the downside, dude. Like I was saying, it's just from, it's hard to explain, but like chart experience, just watching the chart so long, you just kind of get this feeling in the market. It kind of feels like it might drop it. It might drop it. Let me fix that dang light back there. It's going crazy. It's going through all the settings. It's going through all the settings today. I kind of just like it on the yellow color, though. Kind of like it somewhere like around there. What's up, Joey? T Squared trades brick and mortar or ecom? We're brick and mortar, dude. Can't do that ecom, dude. Too many scammers out there, man. We don't even sell jewelry online because there'll be so many scammers, dude. You'll sell a $10,000 ring online. People will try to what's the word? They try to say they never got it or something. So we just, we're brick and mortar. Can't be selling that jewelry online, dude. Unless you know them. But these people nowadays, they'll pull some crazy scams trying to make a little bit of money. Look at it dropping, dude. It's dropping. That news candle could give us inside days for months. We'll see, man. I hope not. We might just drop it off here and run it down today. Retake that news candle. I don't know about months. I sure hope not. We're already in a gigantic range on the higher time frames. It'd be just awful if we formed another tinier range. Orange lens spectacles called. Yeah, it's they're blue light glasses. Look them up on Amazon. Blue light glasses. Finesse you. Yeah, they will, dude. They'll finesse you in a heartbeat. Won't think twice about it. They'll finesse you in a heartbeat. What strategy does everybody trade here? What do you trade? Support and resistance, inversions, fair value gaps, trend lines. Come on, dude. Let me hear it. Look at this. The Tory's playing out. The Tory is playing out right here. Got the old trend line break. S&D. Man, I used to love S&D. Search and Destroy on Call of Duty. That was my game mode, dude. I'd beat anybody in here at Search and Destroy, Call of Duty. I need to get back in it. I'm about to start back playing Call of Duty every night. Support and resistance with trend lines. If you're at the top or bottom, go opposite. Hey, man, if it works, it works. You know what I'm saying? Hey, these trend lines, they work sometimes, Every strategy works. Support and resistance when moving averages. Let's go, dude. I used to trade support and resistance a few months ago. I mean, I can make money once you learn how the market moves. You can make money with any strategy. I believe that, dude. I believe it 100%. See, like down here, this is something I would have like played down here as a support and resistance strategy. We're super low down here. Boom, right here. Resisting, you get a close above, get in long. Get in long, you super low, close above this resistance, and it moves. Right here, you're at the top of the Asian highs. You swept the Asian highs up here. Boom, break below this little support zone, get in short. Any strategy really works if you take them in the right areas. It's all about getting in at the right time, dude. And if you're right, any strategy is going to work. Like if you're on the right, the market can only go two ways, dude. The market can only go two ways, man. So these strategies, if you take them in the right spot, of course, they're going to work. We look bearish, but I think we're going to push as manipulation. Yeah, I mean, it depends on what time frame you're looking at, too. I mean, the lower time frame, yeah, we're looking bearish. I feel like the higher time frames, well, the 1 hour was looking bullish. Now it's starting to look a little more bearish here. 4 hour here. I mean, same thing here. 4 hour could be looking bullish. We got this big candle up. The only thing I'm saying is we swept these highs over here. So hang on. What the heck? My Epic pen ain't working. Whatever. We swept these highs over here, so. Oh, there it is. Dude, my buttons ain't working. Yeah, but it's dropping. Looks like it's going after those Asian lows down here, huh? We got the Asian lows sitting right down here at around 24,193. Could be dropping it down there. What are you trading? NASDAQ. Trading NQ futures on Hypertix, bro. If anybody's looking for a prop firm, check out Hypertix. There's some really good deals going on, dude. I've been killing it with them. Let me show this off again just because, you know, this is pretty cool, dude. This is pretty cool, dude. Let me know, dude. Your mentor could never. Your mentor could never. Your mentor could never. This month's biggest win, 8,400, Slade Gorman. That's me, if you didn't know. That's me. Real edge, real opportunity. Slade didn't get lucky. He trades his own strategy. Hypertix, dude. Paying out. Paying out. Yeah, dude. That was pretty cool, dude. They sent out an email. Pretty sweet, dude. Never happened to me before. I mean, probably never happened to a lot of people, but I feel like that was pretty cool. They sent out an email. That was sweet, dude. So check them out, man. Check them out. They're paying out. They got some good accounts right now. Check them out before the accounts get harder. I'll say that. You know. Right now, I feel like you always have a good opportunity on these kind of, you know, early prop firms. They want to make the accounts cheap and easy. So it's a really, really good time to, you know, get in with hyperticks that are paying out. You clearly see I've already got a $10,000 payout and an $8,500 payout. Approaching another one too. So working my way toward that third payout on hyperticks. Just been crushing it. Michael G, I trade the 150K instant funded accounts and I copy trade them. Copy trade them. Let's see here, dude. Is it going to keep on dropping? Let's draw out this Fibonacci, dude. I've been watching these little Fibonaccis. I know this is the new strategy. Everybody's hopping on this new Fibonacci strategy. OTE, man. Everybody hopping on it. Look at this. For everybody hopping on this new strategy, did you get in here everybody's getting in at the 0.705. There it was. And they're putting their stop loss below the 79. That's the new strategy. They would do it just like this right here. Boom. Let's see if it's going to work. That's the new strategy everybody's doing. But I don't do that, man. I mean, we'll see. See if it's going to bounce there. Let me change these lines, though. Man, dude, is the pollen getting anybody else? This pollen's getting me, dude. It's getting me. Man. Oh, Steven. Man, that would be phenomenal, dude. I don't want it, though. I like being able to read the chat. I don't really want 25,000 people in here. I wouldn't even be able to read the chat with that many people in here. All right, dude. All right, dude. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. Join the Discord. Be back here, man. We always on here. 8 a.m. every morning. Hanging around. Hanging around. Having a good time. Watching the markets. Danny Lee's up 2K from last night's entry for sales. Let's go, dude. Let's go, brother. All right, dudes. I'm about to head off. I'm about to get ready to trade with the Discord group. If you want to trade with me, you can join up and trade for free for 7 days, dude. We've been crushing it. We've been crushing it lately. We about to hop on there. We about to start it up. start it up, do this New York Open model, make a little bit of money, and head off the charts for today. So if you ain't in there, I'll see you in there. But I hope everybody has a great day. I'm about to head out. I'll see you. If you're not in the Discord, then I'll see you tomorrow, 8 a.m. for the pre-market. Check out Hypertix. Make sure you're always using code SLADE. And tomorrow we're going to run a giveaway. So make sure you're here tomorrow. Give away some prop firm accounts. And all right, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold. Every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster.
Just click the link in my bio to join. Click that link in my bio. You can join for free for 7 days.
Making gold. Every grade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading goals. Oh God, 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 oh God. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading goals. Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream.